Okay, let's get our file set up, and we'll put in the background, maybe do some other things in this video. So we're in Photoshop. Click File, New. This is vitally important that you get this part right, because if you don't get the file size correct, the rest of the project is not going to work. So I'm in the New Document window. It'll probably default to pixels. Hit the drop-down menu, choose inches. For the width, put in 6.5 inches. For the height, 9.5 inches. And what's really important, well, they're all important, but this is important, for resolution, put in 300. Just as a side note, a typical paperback book cover is typically 6 inches by 9 inches. And you have to have a DPI of at least 240 for printed material. So this would make a nice, you would have like a size of a paperback book cover plus a quarter-inch bleed around it. So this is, if you're going to make a paperback book cover someday, this is kind of sort of the dimensions you would use. Background, white is okay, or transparent, just to keep things consistent so we're all on the same page. Let's keep it white. You'll see that it's not going to really matter for the way I do this. But anyway, okay, so I'm going to click Create, and there it is. Let's save it into the folder that we created in the previous video. So File, Save As, navigate to your SpaceArt folder that you made. Remember, we had the resources and all that other stuff. And we want to save this. Mine format defaulted to JPEG. Yours might default to something else. But we want to save this as a Photoshop document. So hit the drop-down menu and choose Photoshop. So format is Photoshop. And if you're my student, keep this naming convention, because I got 1 million students, and it really makes it easier to download this stuff if you name it correctly. So name it SpaceArt, then put your name in there, .psd, make sure you're in the correct folder, click Save, and actually I think we'll pick this up in the next video.